next part in that same topic. So, good morning, students. As we are studying managing processes, in that managing processes, we are studying this different machining operations. In the first part, we are started with lathe machine. As we have studied, lathe machine is one of the important machine tool called as the mother of the machine, any machine tools. And in that mother of the machine tools, we can see that lathe machine has versatile and many applications. We can perform number of operations on this lathe machine. That's why any big or small, any type of workshop, though they have bigger CNC machines or automatic machines, but there in any corner they are having this old type of lathe machines also, as they are very versatile and having many applications. So you must be knowing all these lathe machines now. From today, we are going to start this drilling machine. So on the screen this the students, and am I audible clearly? Hello students, आवाज येतो ना माझा? Students,
हो
आणि screen पण दिसते सगळ्यांना बरोबर. So students, we are going to study this drilling machine. These drilling machines are very important in our fabrication workshop also. So these drill machines are having different applications like lathe machine also. So one by one we are going to study this drill machine. Basically drilling is what? So these are the drills. The screen मध्ये जे दिसत आहे, they are the different drills used for making a circular holes. Okay. So what is drilling? तो अतुल जाधव आहे का जागेवर? अतुल जाधव, are you there? Hello, Mr. Atul
हो
Jadhav.
सर हो सर
Just read what is the drilling. Drilling वाच बरं काय ते पहिलं लाईन वाच बरं.
is a metal cutting process carried out by a rotating cutting tool to make circular holes in solid materials.
So student, am I audible? Hello. आवाज येतो ना माझा students? Hello.
हो सर
Just read Atul. Atul Jadhav, read the first lines definition of drilling.
Drilling is a metal cutting process carried out by a rotating cutting tool to make circular holes in solid materials.
Yes, very good. So students, you are seeing the pictures or called as a different images of different types of drills. They are the drills having different diameters. They are having cutting edges at on that circular periphery of the drill bit. So that tool is called as a drill bit or twist drill. बरोबर, tool which makes hole is called as a drill bit. बरोबर, ज्याच्या साहाय्याने आपण सर्क्युलर होल्स तयार करतो, that is a twist drill or called as a drill bit. And with the help of this drill bit, we are making a circular holes in a solid material. बरोबर, and that operation is called as a drilling operation. So drilling is a metal cutting process carried out by a rotating cutting tool to make circular holes in a solid materials. So that is your drilling operation. सगळ्यांना लक्षात आलं असेल. ड्रिलिंग ने काय करतो आपण, with the help of twist drill or with the help of drill bit, we are making the different holes on that solid materials as per our required drawing. So that is drill bits are there. Then drilling लक्षात आलं सगळ्यांना. So drilling machines, with the help of the drilling machine we are doing this drilling operation. Drilling machine का a power operated machine tool which holds the drill in its spindle, rotating at high speeds, and when actuated moved linearly against the workpiece produces a hole. बरोबर, नॉर्मली ड्रिल मशीन कसं काम करतं त्यांनी सांगितलं आहे. ड्रिल मशीन operated machine tool which holds the drill in its spindle. ड्रिल कुठे धरते ते, होल्ड कुठे करते ड्रिल, the drill is held in its spindle. And तो ड्रिल कसा असतो, that is not stationary like your lathe machine. तुम्ही लेथ मशीनवर जेव्हा ड्रिलिंग करताय तेव्हा काय असतो, दॅट टूल इज stationary, but on the other hand when you are doing the drilling operation on drilling, that drill bit, that tool is not stationary, that drill bit is continuously rotating. So that drilling is the power operated machine tool which holds the drill in its spindle, rotating at its high speed, and when actuated move linearly against the workpiece, produces a hole. बरोबर. जेव्हा आपण मशीनिंग करायचं मला, at that time I am using this drill bit for doing the drilling operation. So that is your drilling machine. सगळ्यांना समजतंय स्टुडंट? हॅलो, सगळ्यांना जागेवर आहे ना? So student, this is your drilling machine which produces the required hole. So that drilling machine is a machine tool in which that rotating spindle, ज्या ठिकाणी आपण ड्रिल होल्ड करतो, ज्या ठिकाणी आपण ड्रिल होल्ड करतो, that is a spindle, that is a rotating spindle. मागच्या साईडला त्याला मोटर असते, इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर is there. With the help of electric motor, that spindle is rotated, and below that spindle there is a provision to make hold the number of tools for operation. So that is your drilling machine. सगळ्यांना समजलं स्टुडंट्स? ड्रिलिंग मशीन काय आहे? पॉवर ऑपरेटेड मशीन टूल आहे. बरोबर. आणि जे काय करतं ते ड्रिल, ट्विस्ट ड्रिल म्हणतो, ज्याला आपण ड्रिल बिट म्हणतो, त्याला त्या स्पिंडल मध्ये होल्ड करतं. आणि कसं आहे, दॅट इज रोटेटिंग ऍट हाय स्पीड. त्या ड्रिल मशीनला काय असतं, इन आरपीएम, लाईक आपण जे लेथ मशीनचे प्रॉब्लेम बघितलं मग काल, रिव्होल्युशन्स पर मिनिट, त्या हाय आरपीएम ला ते ड्रिल बिट रोटेट होतो अँड इट इज मुव्हिंग लिनियरली अगेन्स्ट द वर्क पीस. नुसतं रोटेट होत नाही तर फीडिंग पण दिलं जातं त्याला. बरोबर. ऍज द होल ऍडव्हान्सेस, as the drill bit advances in that solid material which produces a hole, बरोबर, त्याला linearly feed पण दिला जातं drill bit ला. So rotation as well as linear feed on that solid material which produces a hole. Is it clear students? Hello, सगळ्यांना कळलं का drill bit काय? पहिल्या पार्ट मध्ये आपण drill bit बघितलं, that is a drill bit in the first part. So this is drill bit, and drilling is a metal cutting operation carried out by a rotating cutting tool. बरोबर. कटिंग टूल कसा आहे, तो रोटेटिंग आहे on drilling machine. But when this same operation can be carried out on lathe machine, in that condition that cutting tool, that drill is not rotating, it is stationary. But on the other hand, that job is rotating along the three-jaw chuck in lathe machine. Lathe machine drilling करतो, that is different. But now we are studying this drilling machine. And the tool which is used for drilling is called as a drill bit or called as a twist drill. मग इथे मला वाटतं साधारण 6 drill bit दिसतात बघा, of different diameters. So yellow color portion, that is the drill bit with the help of which actual drilling will be there. त्याचा शेप कसा असतो पुढचा, that is a pointed end. बरोबर. V shape सारखा pointed end आहे, which will start the initial drilling, and there are some fluids. आपल्याला पुढे twist drill चं ड्रॉइंग बघायचं आहे. त्या twist drill मध्ये काय असतं, there are some fluids. Drilling करताना जे काय मटेरियल रिमूव्ह होतं in the form of chips, that will be comes out with the help of these fluids. बरोबर. मग ड्रिल बिट सगळ्यांना कळलं. आपण ड्रिल मशीन शिकलो, a power operated machine tool which holds the drill in its spindle rotating at high speed. तो स्पिंडल कसा असतो, it is not stationary, it is rotating at high speed, and when carried or when actuated move linearly. बरोबर. आणि जेव्हा आपण फीडिंग करतो, that will be move against that workpiece, producing a small hole. Now these are the number of types of drilling machine. बरोबर. ज्याप्रमाणे आपण लेथ मशीनचे टाइप्स बघितले ते. बरोबर. बेंच लेथ मशीन or automatic lathe machine, CNC lathe machine. So similarly there are now types of drilling machine. Drilling machine चे काय types आहे? So these are the types of drilling machine. Drilling machines are different types of drilling machine depending upon the construction of the different drilling machine. So first drilling machine is the portable drilling machine. Portable drilling machine are called as a, we can easily handle at anywhere as per our requirement. So that is a portable drilling machine. So portable drilling machines are the machines which are used by the electrician. Electrician घरी जेव्हा आपल्या इथे काम करतो बघा, मला वाटतं काही जणांच्या घरी असेल सुद्धा. बरं. बऱ्याच ठिकाणी आजकाल काय आहे, आपल्याला डेली युजेस काही ना काही लागतच बरोबर. सण आला, काही गणपतीचं सीझन आहे किंवा दिवाळी वगैरे, काही घरात काही रिपेअरिंग वगैरे काम करतो आपण. सो वी आर रिक्वायरिंग दिस पोर्टेबल टाइप ऑफ ड्रिलिंग मशीन. और अदरवाइज तो इलेक्ट्रिशियन जो काम करतो, that electrician uses this machine called as a portable drill machine. So that is a portable drill machine. You can easily handle it at anywhere बरोबर. फर्स्ट फ्लोअरला, सेकंड फ्लोअरला, कुठल्या ठिकाणी काम करायचंय त्या ठिकाणी you can easily handle it at anywhere as per your requirement. So that is first kind of machine called as a portable drilling machine. Then second type of machine is called as a bench drilling machine. It is mounted on a bench, and that is a second kind of machine called as a bench drilling machine. It is some small or called as a one of the part of the drilling machine called as bench drilling machine. So that is bench drilling machine. Then next is called as a radial drilling machine. It is the important part as per your syllabus point of view. Radial drilling machine काय आहे? That is a radial. It is having some radius. बरोबर. Radius drilling machine तुम्हाला काय असं दाखवतो. Just a minute. I'll show you radial drilling machine. After completing this slide, at the end I'll show you that बरोबर. Radial drilling machine काय आहे? On the vertical column there is one outer radius part. Outer radially त्याला काय आहे? बरोबर. Handle आलेला असं radially it is having some extension, and on that extension that radial arm is there. म्हणजे vertical column ला काय आपला हात कसा आहे, आपण उभं राहिलो, हात समोर असं केला. So just like that radial arm is there. So to that vertical column, one radial arm is there. On that radial arm, that along that guideways, that spindle is attached. Motor with the help of drill head and drill spindle. All these assemblies attached on that drill arm, radial arm. त्या radial arm वर ही स्पिंडलची सर्व अटॅचमेंट ऍड केली जाते, आणि खाली त्याला काय वर बेस वर there is a surface table on which we are mounting the different workpieces during drilling. So that is your radial drilling machine. Then some advanced kind of machines which can be seen only in different bigger workshops. Pillar drilling machine, gang drilling machine. Now the gang drilling machine आपण लक्षात घेऊन येईल. The word itself tells us gang drilling. Normally आपण बाकीची ड्रिलिंग करतो, at the time we are using a single drill bit or single twist drill for drilling at any solid material for only one hole. But this gang drilling tells that gang drilling, what happened in that gang drilling, we are using the number of drills, number of single spindle drilling machine columns are placed side by side on a common base and having common vertable. बरोबर. एका कॉमन वर्टेबल वर काय नंबर ऑफ सिंगल ड्रिलिंग मशीन कॉलम्स आर प्लेस. म्हणजे एक सिंगल मशीन कॉलम ड्रिल आहे, अशी 3-4 सिंगल मशीन कॉलमची ड्रिल काय एकत्र गँग केली जाते. आणि ऍट अ टाइम वी कॅन do this drilling on the required workpiece on given specific area. मग एका वेळेस 3-4 ड्रिलिंग मशीन त्या सेपरेट स्पिंडल हेड मध्ये अटॅच करून त्यांचं काय केलं जातं, ग्रुप केला जातो. दॅट इज अ गँग. सो दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ गँग ड्रिलिंग मशीन. अँड लास्ट इज द मल्टिपल ड्रिलिंग मशीन. दॅट मल्टिपल ड्रिलिंग it is a special drilling machine used to drill a number of holes simultaneously to produce identical places in mass production. म्हणजे मास प्रोडक्शन म्हणजे काय असतं, when you are producing the quantity in large quantity. म्हणजे तुम्ही बघा नट बोल्ट वगैरे जेव्हा मला प्रोड्यूस करायचंय, म्हणजे मला एखादी कंपनी टाकायची नट बोल्ट तयार करण्याची वगैरे, सो दॅट नट बोल्ट्स आर नॉट प्रोड्यूस्ड इन जॉब और इन बॅचेस. दॅट नट बोल्ट्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड इन लार्ज क्वांटिटी, दॅट इज मास क्वांटिटी. सो दॅट इज अ मास प्रोडक्शन. मास प्रोडक्शन करताना असं जेव्हा सेम टाइपचं ड्रिलिंग एका वेळेस करायचं मला, सो ड्रिल जिग्स विल बी यूज इन दिस मास प्रोडक्शन कॉल्ड एज अ मल्टिपल ड्रिलिंग मशीन. So student, these are the 6 type of drilling machine. Portable drilling, which can be handled at anywhere as per your requirement, that is portable. Then bench drilling, just like a bench CNC machine, they are the bench drilling machine placed at one small area. It is a small kind of machine like just bench. Then radial drilling machine, that on the vertical column there is a radial arm is there, and on that radial arm other assembly like spindle head, motor and drill spindle, all these assemblies mounted on the drill arm or that radial arm, that is radial drilling machine. Then pillar is the pillar like machine, it is somewhat bigger machines, pillar drilling machine. Then as discussed earlier, gang drilling, number of single spindle drilling machine columns or single spindle machine columns का number of columns are placed together at a time. 3-4 स्पिंडल एकत्र केले जातात and like we can do number of holes on the job at a time. That is a gang drilling machine. And on the other hand, multiple drilling है, it is a special drilling machine used to drill a number of holes simultaneously at a time. आपल्याला number of holes करायचे to produce a identical places in mass production. बरोबर, mass production करताना जेव्हा स्टुडंट आवाज येतो का माझा? हॅलो स्टुडंट, am I audible? स्टुडंट, तर ड्रिल
Yes,
मशीनचे
sir.
टाईप बघितलं आपण. हा, ड्रिल मशीन टाईप बघितलं आपण. सो दिस इज पोर्टेबल ड्रिलिंग मशीन. बेंच ड्रिलिंग मशीन पुढे बघायचं आपल्याला. सो दिस इज अ बेंच ड्रिलिंग मशीन हॅव्हिंग सम स्मॉल काइंड ऑफ मशीन. पार्ट्स आर डिफरंट पार्ट्स, तुम्ही जस्ट आयडेंटिफाय करा. मी 2 मिनिटं ब्रेक घेतो. आपण स्टार्ट विदिन सम 2-3 मिनिट्स. प्लीज काइंडली वेट. ड्रॉइंग बघा तुम्ही तोपर्यंत ड्रिल मशीनचं. जस्ट वेट. Hello students, am I audible? Hello student, आवाज येतोय का माझा?
हो सर.
Hello student, yes. So students, we are studying this drill machine. This drill machine is having different types, bro. We have seen this portable drilling machine bench. So this is a portable drilling machine. As I said you earlier, many homes are having this type of machines now for drilling our different small type of drilling at our homes for electrical type of work. So these are the portable drilling machine used for different drilling operations. So these drilling operations are done by with the help of this portable drilling machine. That is portable one. So you can see that safety handles is used at the time of drilling. So these safety precautions are very important for any type of operation. These safety precautions not only safeguard our hands as well as also safeguard the operations to be performed. बरोबर, तो जॉब खराब होत नाही किंवा ते मशीनला काही प्रॉब्लेम होत नाही. As well as main part is it saves our own hand as well as our all the machining area. So it is very important safety precautions to be followed in during any machining. Just like we are wearing the apron, जसं तुम्ही practical apron घालतात, it is just like you have to use this safety hand gloves while doing the drilling or lathe machine type of work. So that is portable drilling machine. Then we'll go for the next type of machine, that is bench drilling machine. These are the light duty machines, or light duty machine, small kind of machine used in small workshop. छोटे जे workshops असतात बरोबर, त्या ठिकाणी अशा प्रकारचं बेंच ड्रिलिंग मशीन वापरलं जातं. ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ सेन्सिटिव्ह ड्रिलिंग मशीन बिकॉज इट ऑफ इट्स ॲक्युरेट अँड वेल बॅलन्स स्पिंडल. बरोबर, त्याचा जो स्पिंडल असतो तो कसा आहे, ॲक्युरेट असतो एकदम आणि वेल बॅलन्स असतो. That's why it is called as a bench drilling or use also called as a sensitive drilling. Sensitive drilling का म्हटलंय, त्याचा जो स्पिंडल असतो दॅट इज वेल बॅलन्स आणि ॲक्युरेट होतो. बरोबर, आणि होल्स ऑफ डायमीटर इज 1 mm to 15 mm. बरोबर, साधारण 1 mm पासून 15 mm पर्यंत ड्रिलिंग आपण करू शकतो with the help of this drill machine called as a bench drilling machine. So that is bench drilling machine. Bench drilling, they are the portable drilling machines used for various small works. बरोबर, 1 mm पासून 15 mm पर्यंत छोटे ड्रिलिंग करायचे, ज्याला आपण सेन्सिटिव्ह ड्रिलिंग पण म्हणतो. सो दॅट इज सेन्सिटिव्ह टाइप ऑफ ड्रिलिंग मशीन. देन विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. दॅट इज दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ बेंच ड्रिलिंग मशीन. बरोबर, आपल्या कॉलेजला मोठं व्हर्टिकल ड्रिलिंग मशीन मोठं आहे, बट दॅट इज अ स्मॉल पोर्शन ऑफ दॅट व्हर्टिकल ड्रिलिंग, दॅट इज अ बेंच ड्रिलिंग मशीन. सो यू कॅन सी द नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स. बरोबर, आपल्याला पुढे इथे शिकायचे डिटेल मध्ये पार्ट्स. बस राईट नाउ जस्ट विल सी द ओव्हरव्ह्यू ऑफ दिस व्हर्टिकल कॉलम आहे. बघा, हा व्हर्टिकल कॉलम आहे. तर व्हर्टिकल कॉलमला काय आहे, देर इज अ that is bench type of drilling machine or called as a bench drilling machine. So that is bench drilling machine having different वरच्या साईडला rebuild आहे for giving the rotation of the motor. Driving motor drive जेव्हा चालू करतो आपण, तर that motor drive चे spindle चे shaft it is transferred to the with the help of this V belt to your sleeve or to the spindle. ज्या ठिकाणी पुढे ड्रिल वापरला आपण, ड्रिल चक मध्ये काय आहे, we are using this drill bit or drill. So that is a bench type of drilling machine used for small type of work in small workshops. Then these are the number of parts: vertical main column, base, moving drill head, work table, electric motor, then variable speed gearbox and spindle head mechanism. या बॉक्स मध्ये काय आहे, ते ब्लॅक कलरचा बॉक्स आहे. that in that box this all this gear assembly and spindle feed mechanism is there. आणि त्याला काय साइडला काय ड्रिल फीड हँडल आहे. बघा, ते 3 हात असलेलं काय आहे, देर दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ ड्रिल फीड हँडल. ड्रिलिंग करताना जेव्हा ड्रिल रोटेशन स्टार्ट होतं, देन वी हॅव टू advance, we have to feed that drill in the solid workpiece material while doing the drilling. So that is drill machine. Student, just 2 मिनिटाचा ब्रेक मी परत आपण रिजॉइन करू. ओके, जस्ट ड्रिल बिटचा अभ्यास करायचा आपल्याला, ड्रिलिंगचा आपल्याला. सो जस्ट take a break for 2 minutes. We'll start within 2-3 minutes. Yes. So thank you.